Okay, get ready for the most crazy drain setup you have on the planet at 2/4 Dutton. Ready? In a nutshell, real quick. This is a kitchen sink coming down from number 2 Dutton, dumping into the pump, which also picks up the sink and the laundry. Then it discharges out this pipe, goes off that way, drops down. We're running across to the other side. Please hold, please hold. Comes over, hold on, comes over right here, drains down into this, then this discharges up into that right there, that pipe there, which goes over, comes over, and dumps into this right here. So it's a complete nightmare. Okay?